Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager for Toshiba Canada. Today I'd like to demonstrate to you a new app for Toshiba photocopiers called App Showcase. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So what we're looking at now is a virtual network connection to the LCD panel of the photocopier right behind me here. And if I scroll over a couple screens, we're going to see this new app called App Showcase. I'm going to click on that, and it will quickly open up the content of App Showcase. And what App Showcase does is it shows all the available apps that Toshiba has created to work with their various photocopiers. As I briefly scroll through these, you can get an idea of what's available, and more are being added all the time. Often when customers get a Toshiba copier, they may not know every app that's available, and this makes it very easy for the user to look at those apps, decide if they want to install those apps. Simply click on a button, and the copier will begin to install the app. Then sometimes the apps require a license, and sometimes they're free. It depends upon the app. But it's certainly not hard to install the apps and keep up to date with them. For the App Showcase to work as intended, it needs to be connected to Toshiba's eBridge Cloud Connect. This is Toshiba's web portal where we can manage our photocopiers, see their toner levels, see what's going on with service, make changes, and make any updates we want to the photocopier. And this is a brief look at eCloud Connect in a bit more detail, where we can look at a specific copier. It gives us more information about the copier, and we can do various things to it, such as assess for any issues that might be with the copier and make changes remotely via the web. So once a user has decided to download an app from the App Showcase, it has to be installed in the photocopier. So you simply click on this gear icon on the top here. You type in your copier admin password and say OK. And that will open up this screen here, which you click on Button Contents. You look for an empty tile in your photocopier, like this one right here. We'll click on. And I decide that I want to have to download this from the application list. I'm going to scroll down to this one here called Device Info. And I'm going to say OK and confirm and close that. And that app is now installed in the photocopier. One of the other features I want to mention about the App Showcase is sometimes apps have newer versions. So it's easy to go to the App Showcase, download the latest version of that app. It'll rewrite over the current app without any problem, and away we go. So as you can see, this is my contact information. Any questions, I'd be happy to help. Toshiba's new App Showcase is a great way to keep your copier current with all the latest apps that might be appropriate for you. As I mentioned, some apps are free and some apps require a paid-for license. Some apps are easy to install by yourself, and some apps might require the assistance of your local service provider. But at any rate, I hope you found this video interesting, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.